Are you thinking of trying the APKAPK Venom cream? Before you hit that Buy Now button, here's everything you should know: what it is, what it does, and whether it's really worth adding to your skincare routine. This cream is getting a lot of attention for claiming to do, well, a bit of everything. From dry skin and fine lines to blemishes and dark spots. APKAPK says it helps restore balance, hydration, and glow. So what's actually inside the jar? APKAPK Venom cream is designed to support skin renewal, calm redness and irritation, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, dark spots, and acne scars. And yes, it uses purified Venom, along with natural botanicals and essential nutrients. Think of it like nature-powered skincare, made in the USA and formulated without harsh chemicals. But don't just go by what the label says. First, check the product photos. Are they high quality? Do they show actual results, or just stock images? Then, review the ingredients list. Do you see helpful actives like honey extract, propolis, or peptides? And lastly, is the product description informative, or full of vague promises? A clear, honest breakdown is usually a good sign. Here's what else to consider. Is the cream made in a registered facility? Does the company list a real support email or physical address? Do they offer a refund policy? With APKAPK, you get a 180-day money-back guarantee, which is reassuring if you're trying for the first time. Now don't skip this step. Look for off-site reviews. Check YouTube, Google, or Reddit skincare forums. Real feedback is gold, especially if people are showing their skin before and after. If every review sounds copy-pasted or overly perfect, that's a red flag. So what's the bottom line? APKAPK Venom cream could be a great fit if you're looking for a gentle, natural-based solution for common skin concerns. It's made in the USA, comes with a strong refund policy, and doesn't promise miracles overnight. Like any skincare, give it time, and always patch test before regular use. Found this helpful? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop a comment if you've tried this product. We'd love to hear your story.